being a sociology student, you are equipped with all those theories and skills and knowledge, no, that you can really use wherever you are. I guess that's one of the strengths of the discipline, no? Parang hindi siya mauubusan ng paggagamitan talaga. Parang it's always something, there's always something that is useful wherever you are, whether in the government, in the private sector, in humanitarian sector, or if you decide to teach. Ang daming opportunities, and I think you really have to remember that na as a sociology student, ang dami mong pwedeng offer to anyone who you will be working with in the future. And it's a matter of you knowing yourself na parang what can I really offer, and also and knowing that because you have a lot of things to offer, there are also a lot of opportunities to learn kapag nandun ka na sa kumbaga outside world. I mean, parang it's mamimiss mo rin yung sociology classroom because there's in our classroom maraming opportunities to reflect and think. Sometimes in the workplace you don't have that opportunity to step back and to just think and reflect. So to cherish this moment is what I'm trying to say, that you are still in the classroom, you have that opportunity to learn and to discuss and reflect. Because once you are in the outside world na, sinasabi nila, parang, hustle after. Ayun, I hope that sociology is really useful for you, no? The same way that it is empowering for me. I really highlight that sociology background sa humanitarian sector because it's a very interdisciplinary field. And really make sure that I bring with me those perspectives and skills na natutunan ko sa sociology as a discipline. I hope that was helpful. I can't assure you na madali after, but you have sociology as something that you can anchor, di ba? Na pwede mong gamitin as anchor. So hindi ka malulost kasi you are equipped with that. Yun. I'm really sure magagamit mo yung sociology. That's one thing that I'm sure of. Hindi ako sure kung ano yung magiging parang saan kayo mapupunta, pero yung sociology and its usefulness, that's one thing that I can really say na talagang magagamit mo yan wherever you are.